Hello world. In the last video, we have left with this button. In this short video, I'll demonstrate how to add click listener for this button. Let's move to code. Now in order to add that, we need to add action performed. So it would be action performed and equals to, it should be a definition. So I'll be adding some definition. So let's create that first. And if clicked, I'll be passing an event. Obviously I'll be passing self object and I'll be passing e, and then I'll be printing clicked, and it should be self dot clicked. Let's move to burp. I'm going to extender. I'll be reloading this extension by holding command and pressing on this check button. And it's loaded successfully. So I'll be quickly moving to this output section and I'll be clicking this button. I'm going to extender and you can see that it's clicked. Now let's perform something else. So if I want to know what event is supported by burp, I should be doing print e instead of this clicked. And I'm saving this. I'll be moving to, and I'll be reloading to burp extension, clicking control and this checkbox, or if you are on Mac, command and checkbox. Okay, and I'm going to here, clicking this, going back to extender, and you can see that I have something called action event. Action performed, cmd is equal to abcd, it's that Unix timestamp, and also we are having lots of details. Now I'll be moving to here and we'll be moving to code. Now if I want to change that text of this button, so first of all I need to convert this to a self object. So I should be doing like self.p1, okay, and this should be self.b1 so that I can access it from here. So I'll be, for doing this clicked, I'll be typing clicked. So let's clear this and let's save this, and it should be self dot b1 dot text is equal to abcd, and it is already abcd, so I'll be changing to hello and quickly going to extender, and I'll be reloading this extension. And we are having this output. So let's go to here, clicking on this, and you can see the text change to hello. So this is it for this video. I'll be demonstrating layouts on the next video. Thank you.